The way Arabic forms the future tense is so interesting to me. You see, in standard Arabic, you just have to put the word sofa, or the shortened form sa, before the verb. But this sounds really formal and archaic, and hasn't survived into modern speech, which means that all of the modern Arabic dialects had to come up with new ways to indicate the future. So how do languages evolve new future tenses? Well, a very common strategy is using verbs of motion. Take, for example, the English sentence, I'm going to eat. That could literally mean I am going in order to eat. And originally, that's all it would have meant. But over time, English speakers sort of analogize the meaning. If you're going to do something, that means it will happen in the near future. It's the future tense. And this is a very common development. It's why modern French and Spanish speakers are probably less likely to use their traditional future tenses and more likely to use verbs of motion. And yes, it happened in Arabic dialects. In many parts of North Africa, you can hear mashi or ghadi, meaning walking or going, to indicate the future. You can even see it in Maltese, where the word for the future tense comes from an Arabic word that meant something like going. And just like sofa, all of these have shortened forms as well. Another common strategy for evolving the future is verbs of desire, which makes sense. If you desire to do something, you probably will do it in the near future. In fact, that's where English gets the word will. It originally was a verb of desire. This older sense of will still survives in some places in English, like when we talk about willpower, or when we ask if someone is willing. And yes, Arabic went through the same change. Like in many Arabic dialects, the verb for to want can also indicate the future tense. Or in Yemeni Arabic, for example, the prefix sha indicates the future, but it probably came from an older Arabic word that meant to desire. But my favorite dialect, and I'm certainly not biased at all, is Levantine Arabic, because it went through both of these evolutions to make the future tense. In the Levant, bed means to want or desire, but in some contexts can indicate the future tense. But then there's rah, which means to go, a verb of motion, which also gives us rah, a particle indicating the future tense. And just like so many other future tense particles across Arabic, this one also has a shortened form, ha, or sometimes just ha. And if you're interested in learning Levantine Arabic, I'm partnered with a company that specializes in teaching it, so check the link in my bio.